Hello, so far we have learned how to enter data in tables, how to read it and how to modify it. All these operations are part of a general SQL concept called CRUD operations. This is a term that you will encounter again, and it is an abbreviation for the create, read, update and delete operations. We learned create, we learned read, we learned update, and now we will learn the last operation from CRUD, namely delete. Deleting entries from a table is done by the delete from statement, after which we specify the name of our table. This query will delete all entries in our table. If we only want to delete specific entries, we can use the keyword where followed by one or more conditions. If we want to delete all our students named Alex, we will write delete from student where name equals Alex. Let's write an example in Workbench. First, we will create our table of students. We will write create table student, and this table will have the following columns. We will have an ID int primary key auto increment. We will have a student name of type varchar of 20 positions, and we will have a student age of type int. We will select this query and execute it. Our table has been created. Now we will insert 5 elements. We will write insert into student. We will specify the student name and the student age, values, and here we will provide a text and a number. We will do this 5 times. We will insert these entries, and we can see that I actually had a typo here. I should have wrote student. We will create again, insert all these entries, and now let's run select all from student. Here we will be able to see all our students. Let's delete all the people under the age of 20. We will write delete from student where the student age is less than 20. By running this query, we can see that now in our table we have only 3 students. Our 2 minor students, student 3 and 4, were deleted. Let's say we want to delete just student 2. We will write delete from student where the ID equals 2. By running this query, we can see that now student 2 is gone. If we want to delete all our entries, we will simply write delete from student. That is all. If we run select all from student now, we can see that we have nothing here. But now, let's insert the same students again. If we run select all from student now, all our IDs will be generated from where they left off, even though we have deleted our original elements. Our IDs will not be generated again from 1. They will be generated from the last counter left in the table memory. Likewise, if we delete everything again, we will run delete from student, insert again, and now our ID will start from 11. We do this again and again, it will start from 16, and so on. The IDs will go further. The delete instruction only deletes entries. It does not delete the ID that our table has remembered. That counter will be left as the last generated value. If we want to delete all the entries and refresh everything at the same time, we have another query that we can use. Besides delete, we also have the possibility to truncate a table. We will have the truncate keyword. This keyword is used to delete absolutely all the data in our table. We will write truncate, the name of our table student. We will run this query, we will insert again 5 students, and if we select everything from student, we can see that our IDs will now be generated from 1. This is the difference between delete and truncate. Delete from our table will only delete the table entries. Truncate will delete both the entries and the IDs from which our cursor remained. Also, using truncate, we have no possibility to add a condition where ID equals 1, let's say. We can see that we have a problem. Truncate, the name of our table, will simply refresh our table.